Hey guys, Eric Passa here from Brady's Fitness, introducing you on how to use the DMoose weightlifting hook grips. Okay, so first thing you're gonna do is unattach it, right? So it's completely unraveled. You're gonna have the hook facing up. So basically the back of it's gonna be resting on your palm. Then what you're gonna do, what I like to do prior, is I like to already slip this strap through the buckle. So it's already kind of pre-tensioned. You're gonna slip your hand through so the palm faces up and the hook faces up. Then you're gonna take the tension out of it, strap it around, make sure it's secure, and secure it. And there you have a nice hook grip in your hand. I'm gonna do the other side real quick here, and then I'm gonna show you how it's done using a barbell. So now I have both secured on. I'm gonna come to my barbell that I'm gonna use. I'm gonna slip the hooks underneath, and then I can lift it without straining my grip using the hooks. That is how you use DMoose weightlifting hook grips.